So let us try to do the exercise number 1.3. This is based on log. So in such questions, we write y is equal to x plus 1 square upon x plus 2 cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. We will take log on both sides. We will get log of y is equal to log of x plus 1 the whole square upon x plus 2 the whole cube into x plus 3 raised to 4. This is the log. Now, let's try to use the logic. Log of y can further be written as log of a upon b can be written as log of a minus b. So this can be written as log of x plus 1 square minus log of x plus 2 cube minus log of x plus 3 raised to 4. What we have done is we have applied log of a upon b is equal to log of a minus log of b. Remember this. Further, we can write it as log of y is equal to this log of m raised to n can be written as m log n. जो भी log का power होता है वो आगे आ सकता है. So this can be written as 2 log of x plus 1 minus 3 log of x plus 2 minus 4 log of x plus 3, which is log of m raised to n can be written as n log m. Now, if we write it further, we can differentiate with respect to x now. When you differentiate with respect to x, you will get derivative of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to derivative of 2 log x will be 2 upon x plus 1 and chain rule derivative of x plus 1 is 1 minus 3 upon derivative of log of x plus 2 is 1 upon x plus 2 and derivative of x plus 2 is 1 minus 4 derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus 3 into 1. So this is the way you can write the final answer as 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. But this is not a final answer. This y has to go to the other side. So dy by dx is equal to y into this entire thing. 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. Also, remember to resubstitute the value of y. So the original question was your y. So your y was x plus 1 the whole square. So this entire thing has to be substituted here. X plus 1 the whole square upon x plus 2 the whole cube into x plus 3 raised to 4 into 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. So this is the equation. This is the answer of this question. Please note down this particular answer. Now moving ahead, same way, I'll give you hints to do the remaining questions. In question number 2, it is square root, cube root. So this entire thing can be written as 1 by 3. And once you take log, it will become, if y is equal to this, log y will be equal to log of this. You will get this 1 by 3 will come here. It will become 1 by 3 log of entire thing. Then log of a upon. Similar. Try this. All these question number 1, 2, 3, 4 are similar way. You will become log of this term plus this term plus this term. Similarly, log of a minus b minus c. So all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are of similar type. Let me try to do either 7 or 8. Even though they are of the same type, I'll try to do one of the questions. Let me just try and do question number 7. Question number 7 is y is equal to sine of x raised to x. So whenever there is something to the power, we try to use log. Now if I take log on both sides, I get log y is equal to log of sine x raised to x. In the next step, as I said, this power will come here. It will become log y is equal to x into log of sine x. Now if you differentiate it with respect to x, you will get 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to x in, now you'll have to do u into v. So this x is u, this is v. So x into derivative of log of sine x, which is 1 upon sine x into derivative of sine x, which is cos x, plus log of sine x into derivative of x, which is 1. This can further be written as x into cos x upon sine x is cot x, x into cot x plus log of sine x. Now this is 1 upon y dy by, remember to shift this y that side. This will become dy by dx is equal to y into x into cot x plus log of sin x. This can further be written as, by substituting the value of y is sin x raised to x into x cot x plus log of sin x. Now this is the first part. Now this is another question. This way you can do the remaining question in the first question. Now let me try to do the second question. I'll just try to take the second and the third questions from this. Now let's start with one of the questions of this. In the second question, there is a mixture of log with a plus. So here what we will do, let me take a simple example of one question. I will take the first one. Here y is equal to x raised to e plus x raised to x plus e raised to x plus e raised to e. Now here e is a number. So if I take derivative dy by dx, it will become d by dx of x raised to e plus d by dx of x raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to e. Now in this kind of a question, x raised to n, this is of the form of x raised to n. So this can be simply written as e into x raised to e minus 1. This is simple. This one you will have to keep it like this, d by dx of x raised to x. I will tell you what to do. In the next part, we will have to do d by dx of e raised to x. This is e raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to e. It is like a number raised to number because e is some number. Derivative of constant is 0. This is 0. This is e raised to x and this is e raised to x. Only problem you will have is derivative of x raised to x. This is how do we do it. So what we do is we will put it like u is equal to x raised to x. Any power which is there, we will have to take a log. So we can't take log directly here. In all these questions, whenever there's a plus, don't take a log on the entire thing. Log can be taken on a separate power like this. I can solve it further. I can write log of u is equal to log of x raised to x which is equal to x log x. Now if I have to differentiate this, I will differentiate log u is equal to x log x. Now differentiate u with respect to x. What we will get is 1 upon u du by dx is equal to u into v होगा यहाँ पे x into derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus log of x into derivative of x which is 1. So this will become du by dx is equal to u into x is upon 1 is 1 1 plus log of x which is equal to x raised to x into 1 plus log x. This is your du by dx. Now this du by dx is your 1. So you had this where u was x raised to x. Derivative of x raised to x is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. You have to substitute that in your this answer. What you can do is you can write this particular answer where this is 0. Write this as the answer, and the final answer can be written as dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to e raised to x raised to e into x raised to e minus 1 upon this particular part you can delete and you can write here it is derivative of this part can be written as the same as x into which we have just found out x into 1 plus log x. So the answer to this question is x into x raised to e raised to minus 1 x into 1 plus log x plus e raised to x plus 0. So this is how the derivative needs to be found out for this question. Similar type ways you can find out the all the other questions. Only difference is if sometimes you will get 3 powers. So what do we do? So let us try and do this question number 10, 7. 7 is 10 raised to x and x raised to x raised to 10 and x raised to 10 raised to x. So let's write the question. If you have copied this, I'll just remove this. Now let's write this question. Let me just have a grid lines. Now the question is y is equal to 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 plus x raised to 10 raised to x. Here since all the terms are in power, you'll have to first write y is equal to u plus v plus z. So that you have y which is u plus v plus z. Then you have to solve it as 3 different questions and add the derivative. Therefore, their derivative dy by dx will be equal to du by dx plus dv by dx plus dz by dx. This is how you have to do. Now let's try and take the first question, first part. U is equal to 10 raised to x. If you take log on both sides, you will get log u is equal to log of 10 raised to x. So this entire thing will come like this, x raised to x into log 10. Now I have already told you we have found out derivative of x raised to x in the previous question, which was 1 plus. You can refer to that. Now if I have to find out differentiate with respect to x, it will become 1 upon u du by dx is equal to log 10 is a constant, log 10 into derivative of x raised to x, which will be equal to log of 10 into 1 plus x log x. Yeah, 1 plus log x into x raised to x. This is how answer of this we did in the previous question. Therefore, you can find out du by dx will be equal to, this u will go that side, which is 10 raised to x into log of 10 raised to log of 10 into x raised to x into 1 plus log. This is the first part. That is du by. Similarly, you have to do the remaining part as well. So let's try to do the second part. What is the second part? Second part is given as v. V is equal to x raised to 10. Now, if v is equal to x raised to 10, what you can do is you can take log v is equal to log of x raised to 10. This x raised to can come here, x raised to 10 into log of x. Then you can differentiate u into v. So this will become 1 upon v dv by dx. Rather, I can write here derivative of log v is 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to x raised to 10 into derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus log of x into derivative of x raised to 10, which is 10x raised to 9. This can be written as x raised to 9 plus log of x into 10x raised to 9. So therefore dv by dx is equal to v. V is your x raised to 10 into this entire thing, x raised to 9 plus log x into 10 into x raised to 9. This is the second term. Now let's try and do the third part, which is x raised to 10 raised to x. U v z is x raised to 10 raised to x. This can be written as log of z is equal to log of x raised to 10 raised to x. Now this 10 raised to x will come here. It will become log of z is equal to 10 raised to x into log of. Now again this is u into v. This will become 1 upon z dz by dx equal to 10 raised to x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log of x into derivative of 10 raised to x is a raised to x log a, 10 raised to x log 10. Now, therefore, dz upon dx will be equal to z, which is x raised to 10 raised to x into 10 raised to x upon x plus log x into 10 raised to x into log 10. Now all these three terms you need to add so that you get dy by dx. It's a little lengthy question. Dy by dx will be nothing but addition of all the three terms. So first you will have to take du by dx, which is this term 10 raised to x raised to this. This one you will take 10. Which part you will have to take it here. You will add plus, you will have to add, then you will take this term x raised to 10, 10. Last में you will add the z wala term, which is this term. So plus x raised to 10 raised to x. So if I read it, it is 10 raised to x plus into log of 10 into x raised to x into 1 plus log x plus x raised to 10 into x raised to 9 plus log of x into 10 x raised to 9 plus x raised to 10 raised to x into 10 raised to x upon x plus log of x into 10 raised to x into log of 10. So this is a pretty lengthy question, but a good question. So these are the two questions which we need to do in the second example. You can do practice the similar question in the similar time. Let's try and do the third question now. The third question would include, let me just remove this. The third question is of third question is of slightly different type where you have x and y. This is similar to parametric. Now let me just take first question where y is given as root of x, or it is given as root of x plus root of y is equal to root of a. Here you have to remember one concept, that d by dx of x square is equal to 2x, but d by dx of y square is not equal to only 2y into dy by dx. This chain rule concept will be used here. Now let me see, root of x plus root of y is equal to root of a. This is the question which is given. Now you will differentiate with respect to x. You will get root of x ka derivative as 1 upon 2 root x plus root of y, you will get 1 upon 2 root of y into dy by dx, and constant ka derivative is 0. In the next step, you will shift this side. It will become 1 upon 2 root of y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 root of x. Now this 2 will get cancelled. Root y will go that side. So this will become dy by dx is equal to minus root y upon root x. This is how answer. These questions are pretty simple that way. Same way you can do the second question, and only difference is you will have to apply a little bit of mind where there is u into v. So for example, third and fourth question, you will have to put a little bit of thought. For example, let me just try and do one of those questions. I will do this question number, say fourth. Now fourth is given as x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Now remember, even when it is x square and y, it is u into v. It is u into v. Even here, root of x and root of y is u into v. So you have to ensure that there is a u into v thing here. Now let's try to do differentiate this equation. Differentiating with respect to x, you will get x cube is equal to derivative is 3x square. Here you will have to do u into v. So you will write x square into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square, which is 2x, plus similarly u into v here, x into derivative of y square, which is 2y dy by dx plus y square into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y square is equal to y cube is equal to 3y square into dy by dx, and 81 is a constant, so which is 0. We will take all the terms of dy by dx together and non-terms together. So if you see, we have these three terms. One is with x square, one is with 2xy, and one is 3y square. So I will take out dy by dx common, and I will write x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Then I will take the remaining terms, that is 3x square. I will shift to the other side, minus 3x square, and then this term, which is minus 2xy and minus y square. Then I will shift this entire thing this side. It will become dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is how these kind of a questions can be done. Let me try and take a similar question you can do with the, what I've done is fourth, you can do fifth. Now, let me try and do one last question in this part. In this part, third section, let me do one question, which is say cos of xy is equal to x plus y. Again, simple direct derivative. First is we will take differentiation with respect to x. Here, it is cos of a function. So what I will write, derivative of cos of a function is minus sine of a function into derivative of the function into derivative of x into y. Here derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is dy by dx. Now let's try to differentiate xy. Again here it will be u into v. So minus sine of xy into derivative of x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x, which is 1, is equal to 1 plus dy by dx. In such questions, you have to always take dy by dx together. Now, I will multiply this term. This term will become minus x sine xy dy by dx. This xy is in the bracket. Minus y sine xy is equal to 1 plus dy by dx. What I will do is I will send this dy by dx that side and I will bring that 1 here this side. So this question will become minus 1 minus y sine of xy is equal to, and I will take dy by dx common. So dy by dx this का 1 हो जाएगा plus x into sine xy. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, you will have to put this value this side. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 minus y sine of xy upon 1 plus x sine xy. This is the final answer. Try doing similar questions at home, the remaining. Let me take few more questions of different type now. So let's see, we have done 1, 2. So we will do few questions from 4 and then 5. There are only 4 and 5 questions. So let me just take first 4 and then the last we will take up as 5th. In the 4th one, we will take up few questions. Show that, the 4th question is about show that dy by dx equal to y by x. In all these questions, dy by dx is equal to y. This is a proof kind of a question. Again, here we have to use some kind of a log to prove. So let me just, this question number 1 is pretty common. I will tell you how to do that, but I will try to practice. So let's take question number 3. Now 3 is sec of x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to a square. So whenever such kind of a question is given, what you do is you take this sec on the other side, it becomes sec inverse. The question becomes x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 is equal to sec inverse of a square. Now this is a constant. Now if you take a differentiation, this side will become 0. Differentiate with respect to x, this will become u upon v. In this kind of a question, we will do x raised to v, x raised to 5 minus y raised to v into derivative of u, which is x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 minus u into derivative of v into derivative of v, which is x raised to 5 minus 5 raised to 5 upon v square, which is x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 का square. और इस साइड पे जीरो आ जाएगा because derivative of a constant is zero. In the next step, we will also shift this side, which will also become zero. So on the left hand side, we will get x raised to 5 y minus 5 raised to y raised to 5. Derivative of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4, and derivative of y raised to 5 is 5y raised to 4 into dy by dx minus x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 into derivative of again x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4 minus 5y raised to 4 into dy by dx. This is equal to 0. What we need to now do is we need to multiply dy by dx and then take common. So what I will do is you will have to multiply this term with both the terms. So one term will be, this will become x5 x raised to 9 x raised to 5 into this, then x raised to 5, and this will be multiplied. So plus 5 x raised to 5 y raised to 4. Instead of dy by dx, I am writing y dash now. Minus 5 x raised to 4 y raised to 5 minus 5 y raised to 9 y dash minus, if this is equal to x raised to 5 into this, so this will become minus 5 x raised to minus 5x raised to 9, then minus and minus plus 5x raised to 5 y raised to 4 y dash. Third term will be y raised to 5, so that will become 5x raised to 4 y raised to 5, and last term, sorry, this will be minus and minus minus plus, no, this will also be plus, minus minus, okay, so this will be minus, then this will be minus minus plus, this will become 5y raised to 9 y dash equal to 0. Now what happens is there's a lot of cutting. 5x raised to 9 minus 5x raised to 9, then what else will go? Then there is 5x raised to 4 y raised to 5. This will not go. Then minus 5 y raised to 9 y dash, so this will also go. So what remains is, let's put all y dash together. 5x raised to 5 y raised to 4 y dash and 5x raised to 5 y raised to 4 y dash, which means it is 10x raised to 5 y raised to 4 y dash, और जो बाकी बचा उसमें ये बचेगा minus 10 x raised to 4 y raised to 5 equal to 0. This is how. Now if I send it other side, I will get 10 will get cut, x raised to 5 y raised to 4 y dash is equal to x raised to 4 y raised to 5. Now if you solve it further, you will get y dash is equal to y upon x. So in all these questions, you have to prove this. This is how this needs to be done. You can try the first question by using the log. If you use log on both sides, you can see a solved example. It is also good. The questions I did third, seventh, all needs to be done. This cos inverse will go this side, become cos, sine inverse, and this thing will go. So all these questions will be done this way. Let me try to do first question just for you, because it's a repeat question and which comes again and again for many years. It has been coming, and this might come this year as well. So let me just try. first question is x raised to 7 y raised to 5 is equal to x plus y raised to 12. We will take log on both sides. This side will become log of x raised to 7 into y raised to 5. This will become log of x plus y raised to 12. Now this will become log of a plus log of b. So I can write log of x raised to 7 plus log of y raised to 5 is equal to, now this will become 12 log of x plus 12 y, because this 12 can come here, log of m raised to n is n log m. This can also be written as 7 log x, plus this can be written as 5 log y. This is written as 12 log of x plus y. What we need to now do is we have to differentiate this with respect to x. Now I differentiate this with respect to x. I will get 7 upon x plus 5 upon y dy by dx and y dash is equal to 12 upon x plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus y is y dash. This is how. Now we need to separate it further. This will become 7 upon x plus 5 upon y into y dash is equal to 12 upon x plus y plus 12 upon x plus y dash. Now we will put the y dash values together. So this will come this side. It will become 5 upon y dash minus 12 upon x plus y dash is equal to 12 upon x plus y minus 7 upon x. If you take the LCM, you will take y dash common here. You will get 5 into x plus y minus 12y upon y into x plus y. Similarly, on the right hand side, you will get 12 into x minus 7 into x plus y upon x into x plus y. Now this x plus y will get cancelled. Now this y dash is equal to, y dash is 5x plus 5y minus 12y. So it is 5x minus 7y upon y is equal to, here also you will get 12x minus 7 is 5x minus 7y upon x. This numerator will get cancelled, which is same. Therefore, y dash will be equal to, this y will go that side, 5 by x. And this is what we have to prove. So please go through and do the remaining questions of this part. Now let me try and do the last type of this question. Last type of this exercise, I should say. Let me take one. Last question is question number. We have to prove this if log is. Now these proofs are pretty long kind of a proofs. So we will be able to do just one question today. And yeah, let me just see which question I would want to do. Now the first one is pretty similar to what we did. This question number 2 is this. You just practice log of 10 into x raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 upon x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 is equal to 2. So this 10 goes on the other side. It becomes x raised, this log goes on the other side, 3 upon, this will become x raised to 3 plus, just give me a minute, x raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 x raised to 3 upon y raised to 3 is equal to, now this log goes side to the base, it becomes 10 raised to 2, because log उधर जाता है तो जितना उसका बेस है उसको पावर पे उठा लेता है. Now this is next is, and then you try to solve it, it will become x raised to 3 minus y raised to 3 is equal to 100 into x cube plus 100 into y cube, which is equal to minus 99x cube is equal to 101 y cube, and then you differentiate y. You will be able to do this question. This question number 1, 2 are all of similar types. Try practicing these questions. Wherever you have a doubt, maybe we can cover in the next part. So I will end this lecture on the basis of this question itself. Thank you so much for joining in. Do share this video, do like it, and do join our channel. Thank you.